I recently had a nail stuck in my tire and was able to repair it at home. The kit I used requires a drill. Additionally, you will need pliers to get the nail out of the tire and an air compressor to fill the tire up once repaired. First, remove the nail with pliers. Then use the reamer bit to create an opening for the plug. Next, thread the plug through the plugger bit. Bend the plug and then attach the bit to the drill. Place plug bond on both sides of the plug. Drill the plug into the hole in the tire, and then trim the excess plug. Finally, fill the tire to the required PSI using an air compressor. Thanks for watching.